Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Yadav. Today's date is 8th December 2021. Today's topic is Java inner classes. Java inner classes or nested classes is a class that declare inside the class an interface. We use inner classes to logically group classes and interfaces in one place to be more readable and maintainable. Additionally, it can access all the members of the outer class, including private data members and methods. Syntax of inner classes. In class, Java outer class, curly bracket, Java inner class, curly bracket, and then curly bracket complete. Advantages of Java inner classes. There are three advantages of Java inner classes. They are follows. The nested classes represent the particular type of relationship that it is can access all the members of the outer class, including private. Nested classes are used to develop more readable and maintainable code because it logically group classes and interfaces in one place only. Code optimization. It requires less code to write. Need Java inner classes. Sometimes user need to program a class in such a way that no other class can access it. Therefore, it won't be better if you include within other classes. If all the class object are part of outer object, then it easier to nest that class inside the outer class. That way, outer class can be access all the object in inner class. Difference between nested classes and inner classes in Java. An inner classes is part of nested classes. Non-static nested classes are known as inner classes. Types of nested classes. There are two types of nested classes: non-static, static nested classes. The non-static nested classes are known as inner classes. Non-static nested class: member inner class, anonymous inner class, local inner class. Type: member inner class, a class created within class and outside method. Anonymous inner class, class created from implementing the interface of expanding class. The Java compiler decide its name. Local inner class, a class was created within the method. The static nested class is class was created within the class, and nested interface a class integrated within the class or interface. Thank you.